thought I'd do a quick video on this car. This car is an RSX that belongs to our buddy Ivan, and over the last couple days they took this car and took the wide body kit, wrapped every single piece of this car except for the hood. The hood was a carbon fiber hood, but everything else they basically took everything, got all the rivets done for the wide body kit. We got the side pieces on, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this because it looks so freaking mean, and it's got such a nice, cool setup on it. I haven't seen an RSX done quite like this in a while, and my buddy Ivan was telling me that he bought this from the original owner, and so it's kind of a special car in that way, but we're looking at hopefully getting him some parts in our next container from Japan. But this is his build as it currently sits, and man, it just looks like something else. Absolutely love the way it looks. Super mean, super low to the ground, and he's got it on airbag suspension. I'll show that in this video as well if it hasn't already come up. They do such a great job getting these cars running, and yeah, just wanted to kind of show that off. Hey guys, it's me, Gerald with Student Driver Club. Just as a reminder, if you'd like to support all the craziness and everything that we do, check out our website, studentdriverclub.com. We've got tons of model kits, die-cast cars that we import from Japan, Pokemon cards, all kinds of fun stuff, as well as merch that we make to order based on what your needs are. So if you can, give us a like, give us a subscribe, follow us on all the social media channels, and if you're watching this video, don't forget to do it the same on this one as well. And thank you again for watching our videos and supporting what we do. Thanks.